Yeah, today is Saturday. I think it's the 22nd of January. And Lulu's decided he does not like snow. The storm just hit. Right now it's freezing rain and sleet. It's just starting to stick. I hear you, Lulu. It's just starting to stick on the streets. All the bridges are iced over already. Yeah. It's 27 degrees right now, and that's the high for today. Lulu, I hear you. Hey, he does not like snow and cold. We shut the door last night, so he was locked in the garage all night. We had a heater going. Lulu, I know. We got plenty of food and water. A little heater kept it up to 65 degrees in here. And got up to kind of fill up all the food bowls for the kitties we feed, live outside. And, yeah, when I came out here it was 65, opened the big door, dropped it down to 46 real fast. So it'll warm it back up. But anyway, let me get to rounding up the food bowls and making sure everybody's got something to eat. Now, he don't like cold and wet at all. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.